Go get Daddy.
Hey, what's that? Boom! Come on, get up, crazy. Come on. Come on.
You gotta get Bubba out of her way. See, she's crawling underneath them. Leave it alone, girl. She'll be there all day. You gotta get it for her. There we go.
This one's actually up and loading.
She's falling off.
She got up at 4 a.m.
Girl.
Huh?
Come on. Come here.
Yeah, she got up at 4, honey. She's tired.
Get on those feet, girl. Come on.
Get something that she wants and she'll run to you.
Yeah. Hold on, let me try food here.
Only give her something that she can have. Girl! Naomi! Naomi! Oh, Daddy went in the kitchen. Bubba, out the way. Bubba, get out of the way.
Naomi. Naomi.
No, she'll tear this off. You can't have it.
Babe.
Dada's got a nanner. Go get the nanner. Go get the nanner from Dada.
Come here, Squirtle.
Go get it. Now move further away from her. She might not let you. She usually holds on, so then you can't take the food away. Where'd Dada go? Dada's got the nanner. Go get it. Go get the nanner from Dada.
Boom. Come on. Come and get it.
Get up and get the nanner.
Oh my gosh. Stop walking.
Go.
She wants more. Yeah, Bubba's distracting her. You gotta make him lay down. Because anytime he gets close to her, she falls. I don't know if he's making her nervous or something. Lay down, Bubba. Lay down.
Wow.
You getting her, babe?
Yeah. Go get the nanner. Go get the nanner. Go get the nanner.
For free off Craigslist.
Is he really?
Yeah.
You booger. I want a treadmill.
Dada's got the nanners.
I like those elliptical, the elliptical machines.
Yeah. Come here, Squirt.
She's got her leg caught.
Your leg's got it. Hold on. There you go.
There you go, baby. Go get the nanner from Daddy. So I told you, if you really got something she really wants, she'll go. And she'll go as fast as she can, even if she falls on her face. She'll keep going. Nanners, girl.
Naomi. Baby.
I just saw the other one.
Yeah.
Can't
Nanners.
believe what she's doing on that one.
Oh, just wait. Here you go.
My God.
Okay.
Get a couple close-ups of her so you can see her.
That's her dirty face. Got stuff in her hair.
Mwah.
When you do that, you can't see on here.
Oh, really?
Naomi.
I still haven't cleaned from when Elizabeth left. There's debris everywhere.
good manners.
Kisses. Mwah. Yeah, she still had banana on her mouth. Okay.
Okay. That's